if there's anything to get early, these are them. They fly off the shelf really, really fast. Welcome to Adams Polish's Black Friday sale of 2024. We're actually very excited for this sale for this year because we have a lot of cool new products. And of course, we have a lot of our limiteds that we always do. So starting off, we have 4 black and white t-shirts. They're a little bit more evergreen style designs, but we also have some more holiday themed apparel as well, with this red AP t-shirt as well as this heather gray hoodie with the holiday inspired Adams polishes on the front. So, you know, if you're looking to display your Adams polishes proudly, or you know, want to get your significant other or that special person in your life a shirt for them to display their Adams polishes proudly, these shirts are a really great option for a gift or just a personal purchase as well. Now, along with the apparel, we have some of our holiday inspired products like our limited editions. And up top here, you can see our limited edition car care products. And these are going to come in the kit as well as individual. And then also down here on the middle shelf, you'll see we have our holiday products for home care. And these ones are going to come in the kit. So the one thing we always try to do is design the boxes to make them look really nice. So you don't even have to wrap them. Just get the boxes, put them under the tree. And of course, says Adams Polishes on it and it has a logo. So that person you're getting that gift for is going to know exactly what they got, and they're going to be extremely excited. So our limited editions are also one of the hot tickets of our Black Friday sale. So if there's anything to get early, these are them. They fly off the shelf really, really fast. Now, along with the holiday themed products, we're also going to have great deals on all of our car care products as well. So it's going to be up to 40% off on our website. We're also going to have some really good doorbuster sales on a lot of these products. So, you know, if you're looking to graphene ceramic coat your vehicle, or your significant other is looking to do that, this is the best time to get it. Best prices on all of our graphene products, as well as some of your other favorite products like detail spray, waterless wash, CS3. All of those products are going to be up to 40% off. And again, you'll have different doorbusters that you'll get maybe a really, really deep discount on a certain product that you really love. We're also going to have gift card kits as well. They come in different variations, but this kit specifically is going to come with a 16-ounce bottle of detail spray, a single soft plush towel, plus the gift cards. Along with the holiday stuff here, our limited editions, as well as the good discounts on our car care products, we have some really good new product offerings as well. And this is probably the part I'm most excited about aside from the great deals. So starting off, we have our new pressure washer, the Pressure Washer 3.0. This is an upgrade from the Pressure Washer 2.0. This has really, really good output. Upgraded from the 2.0, also a lot smaller of a footprint. Pressure washers are one of the most essential tools in your whole detailing arsenal, and this doesn't break the bank. So if you're looking to get into having a pressure washer for washing your car, this is the perfect time to get that. We also have this detailing towel cart. So, you know, I know for me, it was always a challenge organizing my dirty towels. They ended up just sitting on my workbench until it became a problem and I had to clean them. Now you have a detailing cart that has 3 bins, so you can separate your dirty towels. So you're not mixing your ceramic coating removal towels with your drying towels. You can put them in separate bins, take them into your house. You know, if this is put in your garage, get your towels clean, bring them back out, put them in your cabinets or your bins. We also have a couple new formulas that we're releasing. Suede and Alcantara cleaner. This was formulated specifically for cleaning suede and Alcantara. It has a foaming agent to it, so when you scrub your suede or Alcantara, it foams up, lifting the dirt, bringing it to the surface, making cleaning those surfaces really, really easy. We also have a bed liner restore. This is something that we actually got a lot of questions about. How do I make my truck bed look even that much better? Because it's one thing to clean it, but oftentimes when you clean it, it still looks chalky. This dresses it, it protects it. It's not slippery, so still easy to get in and out of your truck bed, but this really restores the color back to making your truck bed look brand new. So really, really unique formulas here. We also have this detailing seat. It looks similar to other detailing seats we've offered before, but the new unique feature to this is you can take the top portion of the seat off, and it has rolling casters on there. So it really gets you to the lowest point of your car. So when it comes to ceramic coating, when it comes to polishing, cleaning wheels, even like working on your car, you know, if you're going to replace your brake pads, things like that, this new detailing seat is a very unique product and very uniquely designed. So really excited for this. I have one of these at my house. I love using it for cleaning my wheels as well as polishing my car. So really, really love this product. And if you remember from last year, we introduced a new detailing bucket. This was actually designed from the ground up from a lot of people here at Adams Polishes. And this is designed specifically for detailing and washing your car. So has a couple cool features to it. You have the handle that lifts up, and once it's all the way up, it locks the lid. So if you want to, you know, put water in here with soap to transport it to a paint spray to clean your car, you can do that. It locks it in and seals it. A padded seat top, so a lot more comfortable to sit on. It also has this tray on the outside that isn't impeded by the handle, so you can hang your products on here, and if you lift the handle up, it doesn't knock them off of your bucket, as well as this drain plug. This is my favorite feature of this bucket. You can drain your dirty water or clean water much easier rather than dumping everything out of your bucket. You also have the option to pairing two of these buckets together, which is probably my favorite thing about these buckets aside from the drain plug. You can tether two together, so you have your soapy water and your clean water to do your 2-bucket wash, but you can also take the lid off of one, sit on the other, and clean your wheels very easily. So very, very unique product that, I mean, it's been one of our top sellers that people really love. So make sure you check that out. And again, for all of these new products, if you want to learn more about them specifically, go to the product pages at adamspolishes.com. We have product page videos on the bottom that explain how to use each one and talk about the features of all the new products. So our Black Friday sale of 2024, listen, we are extremely excited. And again, like I said before, up to 40% off with the doorbusters, and you don't need a code at checkout. All the discounts are going to be applied already on the website, so you can see exactly the price you're getting, and you don't have to worry about putting a code in at the end. So what you see is what you get. You know, we're going to make it very simple for you guys. So make sure you go to adamspolishes.com, check out our Black Friday sale of 2024, and I know there's something in this offering that you're going to love.